Okay, guys, back to part 3 at maths. All right, so let's, I've got a question here. So part 2, I've explained to you the parallel, if vectors are parallel and collinear. So you're going to see here some of these cases here. So let's take a look. This is a trapezium. K, L, M, N is a trapezium. And O is in the middle, all right? So O is in the middle. Let's take a look. O is here, okay? Oops. And O is in the middle. So let's put O here. It's not the middle, but O is here, okay. And then given is KL is 5x. Where's KL? KL is 5x. That's 5x. So let's write it down. So in exam, let's write down everything given to you. And then Kn, where's Kn? Kn is here. Kn is 15y vector. And then they have also given you some other points. What is that? Important point is this two is parallel, which means important information. Kn is parallel to Lm. So that's important. What's the meaning of parallel? Parallel would mean the basic vector is same. The basic vectors are the same, right? So that's called parallel. And what else we need to know? Next, you're given something like this. 2Kn is 3Lm. What's the meaning? It's showing you the ratio, which means now you need to write it down properly. Don't simply assume, because some of you will assume that Kn is 2 and Lm is 3. So be careful here. Let's take a look how I do it. So Kn, all right, is 3Lm. So when they give you like this in exam, what you need to do is bring the Lm down and the 2 over the other side. So from here, can you see what you get? You will get 3 over 2. You got it? Can you see that? So Lm comes down, 2 goes there, which means Kn is 3, not 2. Huh? Not 2. Here's written 2Kn. No. So many of you will make mistake. You think Kn is 2 ratio, so don't make the mistake. So Kn is 3 times longer. Lm is 2 times longer. So from there, you can understand Kn is 15y, which is 3 parts. This is 3 parts, is 15y. So this one is 2 parts. 2 parts means how much? Ini 15, 15. So sini, 2 parts. 2 parts is how much? 10y lah. So therefore, we have now found the answer. Lm is 10y. Are you okay? You okay? All right? Okay, good. Next question. So we have not done anything yet. We are just using the information. So this is what you must do in exam. Always use the given information first. After that, go into the question. All right? So find A now. What is A? A is we were looking for Ln. So if you're looking for Ln, you need to create an equation. So what I taught you was put an L here plus put the N at the end like this, and here must be same letter. So the best is, you see, we are looking for Ln. So we have a L, let's use this triangle. Okay, so I'm looking for Ln. So maybe I should use K. So what will happen if I put a K here? Does it sound logical? Of course, you can choose M, but I'm choosing K. The reason I'm choosing K is because these values are given, so easy for me. So let's take a look. So K and K will cancel. You're going to get back Ln, which means my equation is correct. And do I know the value for this thing? Yes. KL is 5, but LK is opposite direction. So careful, in vector opposite direction means negative. So LK is going to become negative 5x. Are you following me? KL is 5x. LK, opposite, negative 5x. Then we have Kn. So Kn is 15y, so please plus 15y. So that is your answer, done. So therefore, we have found the first part, Ln, which is 1 mark in exam. You okay? All right. Next, let's take a look at Km. How do you find Km? So similarly, Km now, you need to make an equation. So what's my equation? All right, what's my equation? Km, I want to find Km. So let me use this triangle, Km here, this is Km. So I'm going to use this triangle because the values here are known, so it's easy. So I'm going to put again how to do the equation. So, okay, so this is how you do it, right? And then this part, middle part must have the same letter. Since I'm using this triangle, Km, the KML, so L is involved, I'm going to use L. So you got the equation, L and L cancels off, you get Km. So what is KL? KL is 5x, positive 5x. Here was negative y, because it's LK, opposite direction. Here's tan y, so add tan y for Ln. Done. That's your answer for Km. We have found already. It's done. Are you okay? All right. So simple as that. So maybe here up to now you might get 2 marks, maybe 3 marks. All right. So this is paper 2 question. All right. So let's move on a little bit more into the next part. Next question. If NO equals to PLN, where's NO? NO is equals to PLN. NO is here. PLN is just showing you a ratio. It's not a vector because there's no arrow. If there's no arrow, it shows length. So whether it's NO or ON is the same because it's not a vector, no direction, no positive, no negative. So the length of this is equals to PLN. So what does it mean? Let's write down in terms of ratio. So now NO is equals to PLN. So let's bring the Ln down. NO Ln equals to P over 1. What's the meaning? That means the whole of Ln is ratios 1. But NO alone is ratio P. That means this part here is P. That means from here to here, ratio is P, but the whole thing is 1. So what's the balance? So this is 1 and this is P. What is this? So this must be 1 minus P because Ln is 1. So this part is P. What's the balance? 1 minus P is what you get this. So that's what they're showing you here. All right. So here the ratio is understood. Is everybody okay? You have understood the ratio. Next part is we need to show whether KOM is a straight line. What is the meaning of straight line? Straight line means collinear. Is it a straight line? It's a collinear. So we need to figure out whether it is a straight line. How do we show whether it's a straight line? Straight line means it must have the same basic vector. Same basic vector. Now the point is we already found what is Km. You see, we already found what is Km. So from here, if you take out the 5, it's x plus 2y. That means from KOM, this is OM, can you see? This will have this vector. That means KO must also have same vector. So KOM we already found. So now all you have to do is find KO. If you can find what is KO, and if the KO has the same vector as this, it's proven it is straight line or collinear. Are you okay with that? All right. So this is what you need to find. Okay. Now next, we also found what is Ln. Ln. So if you factorize Ln, all right, of course you can factorize it, take out the 5, but I'm not going to do that. We can get this. Now Ln, given here, where's Ln? NO. So which means from here, if I substitute what is Ln, if I substitute Ln, what is Ln? P negative 5x plus 15y. I found NO. NO, this is NO. Okay, or ON. Let's put ON. So let's redo this. I'm going to redo this, okay? So this is a vector. This is a vector. So if I use this, sorry, this is not a vector. This is just a ratio. So now let's say I find Ln. I'm writing it down properly, Ln. And I want to find ON. Vector ON. See, direction must be same. ON, Ln. This one is not a vector. This is a ratio. Must be equals to PLN. Here they put NO purposely to trick you. So here, when you are writing the vector must follow. Ln is this way, means ON, same direction. And the ratio is PLN. So what is ON? ON is P and Ln is negative 5x plus 15y. So this is what is ON. Are you okay? All right. Now your work is to find and prove that KOM is collinear. So what are we trying to do here? What we are trying to do here is we are trying to find what is KO. We are trying to find what is KO. You all right? Okay. Now how do you find KO? You need to create an equation. All right? You need to create an equation. So I'm going to write on top. So what is KO? Let's create an equation. KO is the same as Kn plus NO. Kn plus NO. You okay? What is NO here? NO must be, this is ON, NO must be, change the sign. So NO must be positive 5x and negative 15y. So P positive 5x plus 15y. So that's NO. You okay? Is it getting complicated? Nothing. I'm just using ratio. I'm just saying Ln is here. So ON is here. So I found NO. ON, there's a negative here, positive here. So when I shift this, terbalik, NO, it becomes positive here. Here becomes negative. Sorry, see? Carelessness, okay? So here becomes a negative. So here became a positive. Here became negative. Why? Because the vector now is in the opposite direction. Okay? All right, so now using this, I can actually find KO. Let's try and see. Let's try and see. So what do we get? What is KO? Kn is given. What is Kn? Kn is 15y plus 5x, 5px minus 15py. That's KO. Okay. Now from here, you can factorize, take out P, and then you'll take out 15P maybe. Let's simplify this. What do you get? Erase this first. Okay, the y and y you can factorize if you want to. So when we factorize the y and y, 15y, what do you get? 1 minus p plus 5px. Okay, so that's a simplified version. So what are we looking for? We are now looking for value of p if this is a straight line. Okay, KOM is a straight line.